there! Today I'm sharing a super easy miso soup recipe you can make at home. To make a great miso soup, you need dashi. Without dashi, it's just a salty soup. The authentic miso soup often uses konbu and bonito flakes for dashi, but honestly, that's too much hassle. Plus, it's hard to find these ingredients outside of Japan, right? You can make a delicious umami-rich miso soup with just miso and whatever's in your fridge. Remember, to boost umami, you need to combine 2 amino acid glutamate with inositol or granulate. Kombu and bonito flakes are rich in these, but you can use other ingredients instead. Today, I'm making dashi stock with dosages and lots of vegetables I found in the fridge. It's the perfect combo of glutamate and inositol.
あるよ、ほら。
切っちゃダメ。
歯は触らないよ、ゆいちゃん。
ママと一緒。
ねえ、ママと一緒。よし、今日何入れようかな。
Just cut the vegetable on the surface.
お手手気をつけてよ。よいしょ、ちょっと硬いね。
できた。
あ傷だらけの人参だ。上手じゃん。飾り切りが上手。
こっちの入れる。
あ、これママ入れない。
ゆうちゃん洗ってくる。
ゆうちゃん洗う？
うん。もうおしまい。
おしまい？はい、ありがとう。これお味噌。いい匂いするでしょ。
お肉みたい。
あ、お肉みたい。ちょっと舐めてみる？しょっぱいよ。はい、ちょっとだけよ。ほんのちょっとだけ。見せてんの？ありがとう。
By the way, when choosing miso, whether it's rice miso, berry miso, red, white, or blended miso, don't worry, any kind will work. There's not a huge difference. However, if possible, choose one that's organic with only soybeans, koji, and salt as ingredients.
ちょっと顔隠すの大変なんだよ。見えるかな、この。
And look for a refrigerated miso with a brazen bulb on the container. Why? Because real live yeast in miso continue to ferment and mature even after packing, releasing carbon dioxide. The brazen bulb helps release this gas, keeping the container from expanding. This means you're getting the health benefit of live yeast.
甘い。しょっぱい。甘い。
Once the ingredients start simmering, lower the heat and dissolve 1 to 2 tablespoons of miso. Let it lightly simmer. Remember, don't let the miso soup boil, or you'll lose the lovely aroma of the miso. Alright, miso soup is ready. This is easy now. Miso soup tastes great with almost anything. You can even try adding tomato, cheese, kimchi, or pork berry. I bet it's delicious.
見てみる。いいのいい。
いい匂いね。
飲んでみる。
飲んでみる？ちょっと待って。
いただきます。
飲む。いいよ。少しね。ありがとう。よかった。ありがとう。グー？ちょっとそれ違う意味だな。じゃあそれ違う意味。そう、それがグー。それ違う。そう。違う。
ブロッコリー食べた。
食べて。お大丈夫？近かった。ちょっと待って。熱かった？大丈夫？滑った？
滑った。
じゃあ置き換えしよう。ワンね。How old are you?
I'm
そう。上手。
Alright, that is for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Go!